Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download eNaira's application on your Android device. Simply keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Open your Play Store to begin and go to the search box that appears at the top right where it says search for apps and games. Type in eNaira app in the search box and tap the search button. You'll be able to see the application displayed at the very top on the next page. This was the app we are looking for. Tap on the install button in order to begin the downloads for your application. Wait until the application gets downloaded on your Android device, and our eSpeed wallet is a fast and convenient way to conduct financial transactions. You can download the application for your iPhone as well as for your Android device. Once the application gets downloaded and installed on a mobile device, you'll be able to see the Open button popping up right beneath or right beside it. Tap it on to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download a eSpeed wallet application for your iPhone. Simply go ahead and type in your email address followed by your password and the first login area, and tap on the login button to get access to your account. That is how you can easily download our mobile application for your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.